I figured I'd do a couple live calls for you guys and show you a quick me pre-qualifying leads through the gatekeeper, asking the questions I need to know if they work well for me. It's at the end of the day on the West Coast, so I probably won't get any managers or owners on the phone, but I'll probably get some appointments set and be able to show you guys a couple live calls. Typical things that I'll run into are they'll either leave on hold for too long or they can't do the repairs that I need because I'm going to qualify them to see if they can work on the high-end brands, which is all that I work on. And then I'm going to find out their diagnostics fee. I'm going to try and get through to a manager. There's not going to be one in office. There's not going to be one in office at the end of the day, so I'm probably going to get an appointment set. Here we go.
Please wait while I try to connect you.
Yeah, is this Solve Appliance Repair?
That's right. How can I help you?
Yeah, I'm just trying to find someone here in town who works on Viking appliances. Is that something you guys have experience with?
For what type of appliances?
The brand Viking?
Viking. Okay. What type of appliance do you have, Viking?
Like the Viking refrigerator or like the Viking dishwasher. Do you guys work with that?
Dishwasher, no, because Viking dishwasher is kind of, complicated. But the other...
See, and that goes to show you, if you ask the right questions, you can skip entire segments of a sales call. Like, they couldn't work on the high-end brands, which is common in appliance repair. There's only usually... Sorry, phone battery died. There's usually only 1 to 4 companies in a given city that can work on a high-end brand, and most of the other people outsource to those couple of guys. So if I ask those questions, I can jump through about 90% of the list in about 30 seconds. So good old Chuck's running ads. Let's see if he can work on the high-end appliances. We'll be right back. Chuck, you let me down, guy. On to the next call. Montecito Appliance Repair. This is the worst GMP setup I've ever had. It is definitely a fake for lead gen, but at least I know you're buying leads. Let's see if you'll buy more.
Calling Montecito Heights Viking Repair. This is Kate. How can I help you?
Oh, yeah, I was just trying to find someone in town who works on Sub-Zero appliances. Is that something you guys have experience with?
Yes, we are.
Oh, okay, cool. Do you guys have like a diagnostics fee for coming out?
Yes, we have. Can I ask for your zip code or service address, please?
Yeah, the service address or the zip code for it is gonna be 660. Damn, so we're about to run out of time, so we're gonna start another clip over and go from there. We're gonna see if we can get some good calls in.